What is felony probation in Illinois?
Felony probation can be up to 48 months in Illinois, and it could be there's typically going to be a number of conditions, and it's going to be relative to that crime. A drug offense, for example, is going to have some sort of substance abuse counseling treatment. DWIs will have some sort of alcohol treatment. Domestic violence cases or assaultive type cases are going to have anger management type treatment. Batterers intervention programs are going to be common probation conditions on those cases. So it's relative to the crime, and then it's the job of the defendant. The burden, when we get a client a plea deal that he's satisfied with or she's satisfied with, and they can accept it, and they say, yeah, I think this is reasonable. I always tell them that kind of the burden shifts to that person. Now what is set forth. The court will clearly tell the defendant, you're getting probation, however, you're going to have these three conditions, whatever they may be. And it's the defendant's job at that point to make sure they're complying with those conditions, whether it's treatment or anger management or batterers intervention or home detention for a period of time. Because if they don't comply, the state or the court will file a motion to revoke that person's probation. And never a good thing. No. That's, the judges frown upon that and said, hey, we gave you a chance on probation, you didn't do it. And the defendant will have a due process, they have due process rights to have a hearing, and of course we're back kind of on the table for sentencing. It more or less reopens the case as to the sentencing aspect of that case.